Getting the "your device is going out of date" message on Roblox for iPhone? This means your iPhone or device is no longer supported for the latest Roblox updates. It's important to keep your device updated or use compatible models to keep playing smoothly. In this video, I'll show you what to do if you see this message and how to keep Roblox working on your iPhone. So let's solve it right now. Solution 1. Check your software update. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If you see a software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. Solution 2. Update the Roblox app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon below. Type Roblox, now find the Roblox app and tap on it. If you see the update option available there, then update the app. If you don't have any updates, then follow the last solution. Solution 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app. Press and hold on to the Roblox app. Tap Remove App. Then tap Delete App and again tap Delete. Now go to the App Store, tap on the search icon, type Roblox. Here you can see the Roblox and then tap on it. Then you will see the install icon. Tap on it. Wait for a while and it will be installed. Hope these solutions worked. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.